welcome back. It's me again. Yes, I know you're probably thinking, for goodness sake, will she ever just let it drop? But I thought today I would bring to you how to do brows, my eyebrows, you know. If you are new here today, then hello and welcome. I hope you enjoy this next video I have for you. If you wouldn't mind, if you're enjoying this video, if you like listening to me ramble, if you like hearing and seeing what I do, what I'm bringing to you, then please subscribe down below and like this video if you liked it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. That would be amazing. So today I thought I'd bring to you my eyebrow tinting slash waxing slash, like, you know, little tweaking, little routine. So I haven't done my brows in a few weeks now. I like to do them every like 2 weeks just to keep them up to like scratch, you know. So I've been can't get my words out today, but basically I do get a few compliments and queries on my brows. They said, my friends, family, they say, how do you keep your brows so dark, so, you know, full, so bushy, so, you know. Continue watching, and here we go. Let's just get straight into it. I hope you enjoy. Let's go. Use this really good tint.
So it's a brow formula, almond oil and castor oil. It's henna do browy, I don't know how to quite pronounce that.
Basically it's like a henna brow, so it's not permanent. It lasts a few weeks. It depends on how your skin takes it. Really good. And I have really sensitive skin, so if you have sensitive skin like me, then give this a try because I found this really good. I used to use the EYEBROW brand, but I found it was great and nothing against it, but my skin suddenly one day had a reaction to it, and yeah, I will never forget it. I tried it twice just to see if it was just like a one-off thing. Maybe it was the product, but it was my skin just disagreed with it in the end. My eyebrows went really red, really itchy, and they didn't stop itching for like 2 days. And yeah, so basically I went to this is from Amazon. Love Amazon. Like, Amazon is amazing if you want things for a good price, and they're just reliable. I just think Amazon's great. So this is what I use. This is the product. Yeah, if you're like me and you don't want allergic reaction, then I would so thoroughly suggest getting this. It was about £8 on Amazon, so bargain value, and it lasts for ages. I've used it so many times and it's still got so much product left in it. So the tools I would suggest you need to get: tweezers, number one of these little things here, this is great, and get yourself one of these, and waxing strips. Waxing strips are key also, like, nothing better for brows. Simple, easy waxing strips are great. And also scissors to just trim those brows. So when you brush them out, you want to do that and you want to give them a trim. Okay, first of all, I'm going to just give them a little brush and a little trim. I like them quite fluffy, so I don't trim them too much, but let's get the scissors right. So I like to
give them a little trim just to kind of even them out a little bit there. And remember, eyebrows aren't supposed to be completely identical. They're supposed to be sisters, not twins. So let's...
Okay, so once you've got that dye, it's all mixed up. So here it is. You've got the little mixer. You can just give it a mix in like that. I don't know if I've got enough in there, to be honest. Actually, no, that'd be fine. So once you've got that, you want to pop it on your brows. So I do apologise, I am kind of looking at a mirror just here while I'm putting it on because I don't want this going everywhere. Okay, so I try not to go too much over my like hairline because you don't want to make it look too unnatural, I guess. If you have to, then do so, whatever you fancy. But I really like to keep them natural but full. I do like to lather it on as much as possible just to get that good darkness. I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to things like this, so I do take my time. Obviously it doesn't take this long to always do it for like professionals, but I just like to take my time on it, I guess. So I like to go all the way down to the very end of my last hair just to give it that length. I think length is just everything. Length and fullness, you know what I'm saying, girls? All about the brows. I remember when brows used to be like, everyone wanted them really thin and really short, and I remember everyone had brows like at the end of their eyes. Even I had really thin brows at one point. I don't know what I was thinking, but I guess at the time it was sort of the fashion. You kind of go with the trend, don't you? But nowadays it's all about the really thick, bushy, long brows that like arch. And they're all about being really dark. Okay, so that's the first brow done. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. And I'm going to go on to the second one. Okay guys, so I've put the brow tinting henna solution on my brows. As you can see, look, it's really good. Love it. You want to leave it on for about 20 minutes. It says on the packet, leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, but I like to leave it on about 20 minutes. But I wouldn't leave it on any longer just because it could irritate your skin and you don't want that. But I do swear by this product, it is just amazing. So as you can see, the tint is darkening and it will continue to get darker the longer you leave it. So this is about 10 minutes in and I will take this tint off in another 10 minutes. Are you ready? Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes now. I am going to go wipe these brows off and I will be back. Okay, so let's take these brows off. So you want to get some cotton wool pads, and you're gonna get one of these and you are going to, let's take that off. Always take off the eyebrow you did first as well, because that one has been on for a little bit longer than the other one, because obviously you start with that one. So you want to just take off till you've only got a small bit coming off, and then we'll take the second brow off. So this is them tinted now. And we are going to just neaten those up by, we want the little wax strips. So So I like to get these strips here just because they are so easy and they're not messy. So you just want to warm those up for a bit in your hand like this. Warm those up and pull them apart. Okay, so let me just pull my sleeves up, and you want to pop it in like this, okay? So I'm going to look at this mirror here I've got, because I do not want to wax my whole brow off, you know? So let's go right in the centre there. Just to get those little fluffy hairs. There we go. Great, this is a great look. What do you think? Should I go out to the pubs and clubs like this? Yep, because they've reopened now, you know. Could I go out on the pool, do you think? Alright, let's do that. And take it off like that. I don't think... See, I haven't got that many. Don't know if you can see. There, no, can't really see, there's not that many. I've got a few fine hairs that... Okay, so now I like to go in with these bad boys. So get yourself a good pair of tweezers, because that is vital. If you've got a really bad pair, it's just no good and you're just hacking at them and you're like, ugh. So get yourself a good pair of tweezers. Right, let's go in with those for a little bit. So, don't need to be super neat. I sometimes think it's just a bit unnecessary, you know. Bit of ag you don't need. And there's the tweezering and the waxing done. So let's just wipe off any of that excess wax, because you don't want sticky brow. Okay, so I've got another cotton pad with oil on it this time. So just from where I wax in the middle, I don't get too many hairs along here, which is quite good. I just give it a little bit of a pluck. There we go. There we have it, guys. We have completed the eyebrow tint look. If this has helped you, then that is great. That's all I want. Hopefully you've taken something from this video. If you know you want to give this product a try, then go for it, because it is so good and I would definitely recommend. I hope this helped you and I hope you enjoyed watching. This is the finished look, so I hope, you know, you see a difference and I hope you enjoyed. Keep subscribing, keep following me on Instagram and keep liking these videos, and I will see you next time. Bye.